Hey guys, it's R.V.C. here, and I'm back again with another video. Today we're talking about a watch that looks like it can survive the apocalypse, the Casio G-Shock GX-56BB-1D, also known as the King of G. But the real question is it still worth buying in 2026? Let's find out. First things first, this watch is huge. If you like small, slim, minimal watches, this is not for you. The GX56 is bold, aggressive, unapologetic. It has that square G-Shock design, but thicker, tougher, more intimidating. And that all-black BB finish, stealth mode activated. In 2026, this design still looks modern, still looks tactical, still looks like something Batman would wear. Now let's talk toughness. This is where the GX56 earns its king title. It has shock resistance, 200-meter water resistance, mud resistance, and reinforced protection all around. You can drop it, take it hiking, use it on construction sites. This watch is built like a tank. And in 2026, durability never goes out of style. Now here's something that makes it even better. Tough solar. That means it charges from light. No regular battery changes, no stress. Just wear it and forget it. For a 2026 when everything needs charging every day, it's refreshing to have a device that basically powers itself. Feature-wise, you're getting world time, stopwatch, countdown timer, 5 daily alarms, and auto LED backlight. It's not a smartwatch. No Bluetooth, no notifications, no health tracking. And honestly, that's the point. In a world full of distractions, this is pure digital simplicity. Press a button, get the time, done. Now let's talk about the downsides. It's big, really big. If you have small wrists, it might look oversized. And because of the negative display, visibility in low light can sometimes be tricky without the backlight. So it's not perfect, but it was never meant to be delicate. So, is the Casio G-Shock GX-56BB-1D still worth it in 2026? If you want extreme durability, legendary G-Shock reliability, solar charging, a bold tactical look, then yes, absolutely yes. It's not trendy, it's timeless. And in 2026, that actually makes it cooler than ever. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye!